Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fed with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com with nice sunny cold chilly morning. Anyways, for today's recipe it's eggnog season already, so it is eggnog muffins. Chocolate eggnog muffins. Eggnog chocolate muffins. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Cups of strong baker's flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a small pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. whole flax seeds instead the ground one. Just mix it until completely combined and set to side. For the wet ingredients, this is 1 cup of eggnog, 2 whole eggs, half tablespoon of vanilla essence, and half pack of demerara style brown sugar. We're just gonna mix this in food processor until completely combined. Now we're gonna pour wet ingredients into dry ingredients and mix it until just combined. You do not want to overly mixed. And preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Grease muffin pan. And we're gonna divide this batter into the cavities. I almost forgot for the wet ingredients. Meow! It was also 6 tablespoons of peanut oil. So 2 eggs, 1 cup of eggnog, 6 tablespoons of peanut oil, half tablespoon of vanilla essence, like so. Now top with some semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips, and ready to be baked for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. 400 Fahrenheit, 18 to 20 minutes.